So in this video, I'll show you how to send file from your iPhone device. As you can see now, like this, here is my iPhone. I will now show you how to send file from your iPhone to your Windows PC with using USB. As you can see now, using USB cable. So all you have to do now on your iPhone, before you connect it, now go ahead and open setting of your iPhone. Setting. So after you open setting of your iPhone, as you can see now, like this one, go and search for, as you can see now, go and search for photos. So as you can see now, here is it. Now go and tap on this photos, open it. So after you open photos like this, now all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down. After you scroll to down, now change this option. As you can see now, it's automatic. Now change it to this manual. Keep it original. So now change it to this advanced. As you can see now, keep it original. So now close your iPhone like this. So now as you can see now I'll use the USB. As you can see now here is my USB. So now I'll connect it now to my iPhone. So as you can see now I connect the USB to my iPhone. As you can see now, the USB is still on my PC. So as you can see now on my PC, as you can see now, here it says this one. So now on your iPhone, now all you have to do now, go ahead and tap on this, as you can see now, allow button. Allow on your iPhone. So after you tap on this allow on your iPhone, now let me show you how to copy the file. Now I will just go ahead and open up my PC. So as you can see now, after you open it like this, now you'll be able now to see, as you can see now, here is now my iPhone. So open the iPhone again. So now here is my iPhone storage. So now go ahead and open a folder and copy a file. I'll use this folder. So here is all my files on my, as you can see now, on my iPhone. So if you want to copy a file, just go ahead and find what you want to copy. Let's say now I want to copy, like, I want to just copy a picture, this one. So drag it like this and leave it. As you can see now I copy this video from my iPhone to my Windows PC using USB cable. As you can see now, this USB cable. Hope this video helps you out. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.